Hi friends, I'm Natalie Carey, a certified personal trainer. Getting up and down off the floor is something that a lot of people struggle with. It's very common. And today I'm going to be going over exercises that you can do just in 5 minutes to get more comfortable and stronger getting up and down off the floor. I do want you to have a sturdy chair close by because we're going to use it. And then also, disclaimer, please make sure that you have taken any precautions that are necessary for you to be safe while doing these movements. All right, you're the boss. You know that you're being safe. Let's start by placing our hands on the chair for support. You're on your knees, and I want you to bring one leg out, around so that the foot is flat on the floor, and then back. Bring the leg out, around to the front, flat on the floor, and then swing it back around. So you can do this on carpet or hardwood. You can have sneakers on or bare feet. I'd also recommend maybe giving your knee a little bit of padding if that's helpful to you. Last one, and bring it back down. Okay, you don't need to do this. I'm just shifting so that you can see me. So we do the second side. Second side, we reach the leg out, bring the leg in front, foot is flat on the floor, leg behind, back to the start, reach it out, foot is flat on the floor, behind, and back. We're gonna do that 3 more times. Now the reason that we're doing this exercise is we're using your chair for support. Props are always welcome, but this also helps to create more mobility in your hip socket so that you're able to get that leg around and in front of you. Good, relax. That's it for that exercise. Next one we're gonna come up off the knee so they have a little bit of a break here. I want you to grab your chair. Let's put your forearms on there. So you're gonna walk one foot underneath you, use your chair for support, walk the other foot underneath, and then back down. Again, you can pad your knees if you need to. We go left, right, left, right. Let's reverse it. Right, left, right, left. Keep going, alternating which side you're using to get up and down. It's really important that we use both sides, even if you notice that one side is feeling harder to use than the other one. Part of being strong and having quality of life is making sure that our body is supporting us evenly on both sides. Last one. Good. Whew. Okay. So using that movement, up and up, go ahead and give a little shake to your legs. I want you to walk out one leg so it's behind you and that you're now in a triangle stance. Don't let go of that chair just yet. You can use it for some support. You can either keep both knees straight as we do that, both knees soft or straight as we do that. And then I want you to place one hand and then the other hand down on your leg. We're gonna walk up your leg. Walk up, 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 down, down, down. Also, if you need this chair for support to help do one arm at a time, that's fine. Let's do 4 more walk-ups. We're walking up. You're pushing your hand into your leg. You're gripping your leg for support. Yeah, use those legs. Climb up them. That's what they're there for. Give me 2 more. Ooh, you might be feeling a little burn in your quad here. That's okay. We love a muscle that's working. Last one. Good, all right. Shake that leg out. Stand up if you need to. Give your hips a little bit of a wiggle. And now let's set the other leg in front. This is our last exercise today. Place your hands on your ankle. We walk up, 2, 3, down, 2, 3, up, 2, 3. Also, you don't need to do the same amount of hand walk-ups that I do. It's just a suggestion. We're almost there. Give me 3 more of these. And you can add this into your workout routine. You can do this as many times a week as you want to. Last one here. Good, all right, take a seat on your chair or on the floor, wherever is comfortable for you. I'm Natalie Carey. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel if it was helpful for you, share it if you know somebody that would get benefit out of it. Thank you so much for being excellent to yourself today.